Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So today's date is the 2nd of March 2026. Alright, so you can see right here that about 8 hours ago, Gate.io crypto exchange actually announced that they are going to be listing IDOS Airdrop. And on this video guys, I'm going to be telling you guys the latest update that you need to know regarding the IDOS Airdrop. Right, so looking over here on your dashboard right now, you can see a couple of things has actually changed right now, and they have been a lot of new tasks right here which I've managed to complete some of them, but that's not what I'm going to be talking about on this particular video. So starting with this, you can see that they have actually announced that they are going to also be listing on Gate.io exchange. That was after they announced that they'll be listing on Kraken. All right, so they also announced that they'll be listing on Kraken exchange. I can't find the tweet right here. So they are going to be listing on Kraken exchange, and also they'll be listing on Gate.io crypto trading exchange. Now we are going to be talking about the minimum requirements that you need to have achieved before you qualify to receive airdrop from the IDOS Airdrop. So this is actually our Telegram channel. If you haven't joined yet, the link is going to be right there on the video description box so that you can join us on Telegram and get information before anybody else. So over here guys, you can see what they are actually posted right here. You can see that the TGE for IDOS Airdrop is actually on the 5th of March 2026, and the airdrop activity is very likely to end tomorrow, being the 3rd of March 2026. And of course, the eligibility requirement is very simple. First, you need to have achieved at least 120 points. Now, what are your points? Your points are these. Okay, you can see over here on my own particular account, I've got about 784 points, and you need to have achieved at least 120 points for you to be eligible to receive the IDOS airdrop. And also one other thing is that your account needs to be active. Now it says right here active account status, meaning that you need to be active. To measure how active you are, I don't really know how they'll be going about that, but I think they are going to be measuring that based on your daily check-in. All right, so they're going to be measuring it based on your daily check-in, so you need to make sure that every single day you check in, and of course get to know that you know that actually proves that your account has always been active. So you are seeing this video right now, go ahead and check in. All right, so over here, that's all you need to know right now concerning this particular video regarding the latest updates about IDOS airdrop. All right, so first they'll be listing on Kraken, and also they'll be listing on Gate.io. More exchange announcements are coming very soon. And also, before you can be able to receive airdrop from the IDOS, you need to make sure that you have got at least 120 points, and also your account needs to be very active. All right, so this is all you need to know right now guys. I'll be updating you guys as soon as more updates drops. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.